like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep this content coming. We have vehicles arriving on a daily basis. Right now you're looking at a 2019 Ford F150 pickup truck. Sustained fresh water damage. We actually repaired the vehicle. Replaced some modules, cleaned contacts. We removed the interior, sanitized it, dried it to get it in its original state, in like new condition. As you can see, the body's very clean. I'll do a quick walk around. Has a salvage title. Take a look inside. We detailed the interior. There's no odor, no smell. Panoramic roof. It runs and drives perfectly. No warning lights on the dash. Everything's for sale.
It's a nice truck.
Oh yeah, came out nice.
Oh, 150. It looks like you did more than a 150.
Right? It's big. Anyway, we'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.